Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Nate Life and Travels here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about some of the main apps I use when I'm traveling in Thailand. So if you're planning a trip over there, stay tuned for this video. I'm going to go through transportation, dating, messaging, hotel booking, flights, all of that. Stay tuned for this. Let's start off with the basics. You're in Thailand, and other than Sawadi and Khop Khun Kap, you probably don't speak Thai. So obviously make sure to have a good translation app. For me, I usually use Google Translate since it's free and easy. But another app I like to use is ChatGPT. You take a picture and I feel like it does a better job at translating food menus, and it's also better with Thai slang than Google Translate. Google Translate sometimes struggles with Thai slang. Next would have to be an accurate navigating app. Apple Maps works decent, but I think Google Maps is more accurate and it does a better job at pointing out landmarks and attractions and food options as well. The best transport app to travel around Thailand has to be Grab, which is basically the Uber of Southeast Asia. Not only can you get a driver to take you around, also similar to Uber Eats, you could order food just much cheaper than Uber Eats, and you could also even get groceries. And another app I like to use is Bolt, which is similar to Grab, but it's mostly motorbikes, or I believe it's just motorbikes really, because that's all I've ever gotten on them. I usually use Bolt though in Pattaya and Phuket more than in Bangkok, but you could use it all over the country as well. The main app I use to book hotels and sometimes flights is Agoda. Agoda is probably the best in pricing when it comes to Thailand. Even better pricing when you're actually in Thailand and not booking overseas. Quick tip though, sometimes if you search up flights and even hotels on Google, it'll show you the best deals on the web, and it compares all the different sites from Agoda to Booking.com to the airlines site, so you could find the best deal and save some money that way as well. Klook is good for when you want to go visit some of the attractions in Bangkok, go on a dinner boat date or visit some of the historical temples and such. It's probably the best one there. Obviously we got to talk about the dating apps, and Tinder of course is very good here. It's the same as Tinder anywhere else in the world. Another dating app I like to use is actually Thai Friendly, where you get a bit better options to look for the type of person that you want. It also allows you to message for free, but there is a 10-minute cooldown after each message, unless you pay for a subscription. Once you get in contact with somebody, WhatsApp is very popular in Thailand, so that's probably my go-to, but the other option would be Line, which is probably just as popular over here with Thai locals. If this video helped you out, feel free to hit that like button, comment, subscribe to the channel, and check out the channel. There's tons of vlogs and other content on there, and plenty more content coming soon. So thank you for watching.